Hey everybody, amprepairguy.com, 203-892-4119. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. So I deleted the first video by accident. This is the finished product here, so I'll just do a video now. So customer said he had an open between the input and output SO239, so got it here. Figured out how to bad relay, so I went ahead and replaced both the relays. It's double-sided board. If you're going to do this, make sure you know what you're doing because you can end up damaging the board. Also replaced the SO239s with silver-plated Teflon type. Got a brand new set of Pentalab tubes. Had to take it back apart back here and touch up on some solder joints. So this one has this modification from Ameritron. You cannot take that out. It'll end up messing the SWR up, especially on the higher bands. It ends up eating up some of the drive power also. And it's not really needed with the 572s. It's more needed with the 811s. So if you were to take this out, you'd have to tweak the input networks that are affected. I ended up adding the gas discharge tubes, one side per filament. Took the one off the board and the MOV off the board. So tested full output on all bands. Already has the bias mod done to it. And this thing's all set. So if you need an amplifier repaired, please feel free to give me a call. 203-892-4119. Very packed here. Lots of work. Lots of stuff over there too. So 73.